Hey guys, welcome to the video today. Well, as you can see, we're gonna work on the Passat tonight, but I guess just to give you an idea, it's freaking cold here in Alberta right now. They say with a wind chill tonight, -40. So to give you an idea, if it's Fahrenheit, that's -40. So that's freaking cold. So what we are gonna do is this, as I don't know if I've told you, but anyway, this diesel here, this car is a diesel. So here we go. So this is oh, my hood is steel here. Okay. Whoa! I'm missing a magnet in the bottom there, so it's a heavy light. There we go. Maybe we'll do this. So anyway, what we are gonna do is take this grill off. I have looked everywhere for a front cover for this thing because this cold, this engine does not stay warm. You stop at a stoplight and I mean, the temperature drops in it, like on the engine itself. So it's just too cold. So anyway, what we're going to do, I've already got one screw out, but there's one screw here, one screw here, one screw here, and then you pull on the bottom, this thing is going to come out. I've already started some of this. You can see I got some foam here. I'll show you what I'm going to do. So let me get this grill off and then I'll show you what I got to do. Okay. So here's the back of the grill, and what I have done is, because this split in the middle, I've just cut pieces to fit inside here to block the air, so that, for example, when you're driving down the road, the cold air doesn't come in. I know you can do the lower portion of the grill here as well. Yeah, like down in here. I don't know. Let me see here if I can see down there. Yeah, I don't know if I can. I mean, I probably could. Condenser looks pretty good. But anyway, I don't know if I'm going to do that. So I think what we'll do is we'll just stick with just doing this. I'm not going to fill this in just because that's where the air goes in for the air box right here. So that leaves that open. So we'll leave that open. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some pieces in here and fill that up a little bit more just so that I don't have any air sort of coming through. And yeah, I'll show you how we do that. So just get a pair of scissors and go from there. Okay, so as you can see, cut a couple of pieces here. This one might be too big for there, but we'll make it fit. There's my scissors. That's what I used. I've chosen to stick one side of it. That keeps it in. I mean, you can stick the other side. It's that easy. And then all you do is you just push it together. You know, and then when it's time to take all this apart, it's easy to take off. You can just peel these off and you know, use the other rest of it for the next year. But yeah, so here, let's show you what we got here. See if this works. See if we can get this in here. Oh, that's one thing I got to be careful as well, because this is how these little tabs here, those ones, they slide into the bottom here, down here, when you hook everything up, when you put everything back together. So you just got to be cautious, I guess, of that. But anyway, let's get this. It's a little long. Let me just get this cut here and I'll show you. Okay, here we go. She's cut. And you just throw her in there. You can squeeze it. That's what I would do, is just squeeze the end of it so that it sticks. And then you can peel off the rest of this. And sticker down right there. So there. That's what you can do. And then if you look at the front, unless you bend right down and look down in the front, you probably won't notice it, right? Because the car sits so low. As you can see, you can kind of see it there. But you're going to be looking down at this point from it, right? And nobody can see that. But I mean, at this point, who really cares? It's black, right? So, anyway, let's get this thing together and go from there. So there we go. So as you can see, you can't see the foam in there. So that's perfect. My light went out. Anyway, and then just make sure when you put everything back together, everything fits in there good. Screws obviously right here. There's one here in the middle. And then one right here. And we just got our drill. And I think that's it. Make sure everything's in place. So every hole is covered now except for this one right here. Yeah, that's it. Actually, maybe I shouldn't have closed that bottom one, but I'm sure the air will still come through. And we just gotta walk over here, turn the light on. There we go. But anyway, yeah, there we go. Done. Simple, simple, simple. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Simple thing to do for these cold weather conditions. And yeah, if anyone has any questions about that at all, please don't hesitate to holler at me. You know, answer anything I can in that respect. But yeah, enjoy the cold weather. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.